Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the text path block that helps you create unique text layouts in Gutenberg. Text path is an exclusive feature of ZoloBlocks. This feature lets you bend your text in different shapes to create distinctive text paths for your landing page. These text paths come in a variety of shapes, text lengths, and colors. Seen enough? Why not get a hands-on experience now? Inside your landing page, you can type in text path within the block menu search field and drop the text path block in your page. A default appearance of the feature will populate your landing, which is a curvy text. If you want to start customizing it, you can open the Block Settings tab and look inside. Here, you will find a text field to insert your custom text content. Whatever you choose to insert, you can change the text path style from the option right below. To help you design better content, you can choose from 10 unique path styles. There's arc, wave, circle, line, oval, spiral, triangle, rectangle, polygon, and curve styles. Each style has its distinct content layout, and you can choose any style you want. So, you have the style. Note that the last 4 styles are available in Pro version. What's next? Here, you can also select the starting point of the text path. This setting defines how much of the content is revealed. Not only that, if you want, you can add a custom link to your content. This works like a wrapper link. Not to mention, you can still change the alignment of the content on your landing page. And there's a toggle button here that reveals the path when turned on. All these are basics, but there's more. If you want to customize the appearance of the text path content, the Style tab is there for you. In the Style tab, you can choose a number of options to decorate your content. For instance, you can choose the size of the whole content with the scroll bar on the top. If you want to change the rotation of the content, the Rotate setting lets you do that. What's more, you can decide on the total length of the text. In case you are looking for custom font styles, you can jump into the Typography settings. Typography is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So, feel free to take your time to make the font awesome. Then again, the options let you add custom text strokes to your content. Additionally, if you wish, you can adjust the word and text spacing for your content. It's that easy, to be honest. And the text color, yes, you are able to change that as well. There are options for both normal and hover mode colors, so you can go for it in case you need it. And just like that, you can create stunning text effects in Gutenberg with the text path block. There's no limit to your creativity. Don't forget to check the ready patterns. They might help you get a quick start on the design. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.